Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about singular and plural nouns. Remember, you can download all of my lessons for free on my website at justteenager.com. Let's get started. First, let's start with nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are a person, place, or thing. A banana, a park, a teacher. Can you think of any other nouns? Comment them down below. So as you can tell, we put the letter A in front of the noun. A banana, a teacher, a park, a cat. This is because the noun is singular. We are talking about one banana, one teacher, and one park. Sometimes we use an in front of the noun. And this is because the noun starts with a vowel. Do you remember your vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We wouldn't say apple. No. Instead, we would say an apple. We wouldn't say a orange. We would say an orange. Does that make sense? Singular means one. Plural means more than one. So when we want to go from singular to plural, meaning from one to more than one, there are many rules. But most of the time, you only need to add an S or an ES. For example, a banana, 2 bananas. A car, 4 cars. A hospital, 6 hospitals. A piano, 2 pianos. When do we know we need to add an ES instead of an S? Well, it's pretty easy. You add an ES when the noun ends with either an S, CH, X, or double S. So you can say 1 bus or 3 buses. 1 watch, 4 watches. 1 kiss, 6 kisses. Not that complicating, right? Now let's review everything we have learned so far. I'm going to give you a noun and I want you to tell me if we add an A or an AN in the beginning, and if we need to add an S or an ES at the end of the word. So, what do we do with the word fox? Is it a fox or an fox? Correct, a fox. If we want to make it plural, what do we do? Do we add an S or an ES? Correct. We add an ES because it ends with an X. Good job. For cat, do we add an A or an AN? Yes, an A cat. And when we want to make it plural, is it S or ES? Great job! It's an S. Now the noun is orange. A or an? If you think an, you are correct. And that is because it starts with a vowel. And when we want to make it plural, do we add an S or an ES? Correct, we add an S. Great job, guys. You did it great. Feel free to watch this video again and take notes because this is a very important lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!